Hi, brothers and sisters, my friends, mes amis, Oshoche. Look this video. I will show you how I turned an old family object that is like 40 years old. I turned it into a small house. And step by step with my means, we are at the border of between Serbia and Kosovo. The mountain range here goes up to 1,100 meters. Subscribe. So I tried to clean it a bit. This is the little house that my grandfather started, and I will try to finish. So it has 9.6 square meters with the two small rooms. It looks fucked up, but I will try to make some space out of this mess. Çö. So this is the first part of the work. There is a lot to be done. A lot. I removed the door, so at least there's that.
Ci sei buona, pesante. Voi vedere, un secondo, normale secondo. Passiamo, pensiamo, bas. Anne. Anne. Böyle. Öde.
Şöyle knä kommer bli komplett. Another knä this way. Först mors birat. Janë mors. Edhe këtu jam të shtruar cement. Në ata cementin që është. Do të thonë gjysa e sobës të madhe cement.
Selam.
Papa, desa kema që herët më qitë kjeve. O, ti drejti që leva.
What I found, që që gjitha. Okay. Do farmita. Rock.
You can do anything that you want.
So this is before painting. Now you will see after painting. In 3, 2, 1. So it is a better version than it was before. A small window. This was the door before, an old door, and in that place we'll put another thing. We will put another door. going to remove these chips. Ah! Ah! So it's raining. That was the foam. Look. Go crazy. Cherubim kit. So I'm inside of the second part. Well, this is it. So you can see this part. I'm gonna remove it all. We can see from the other side too. It's this part which is going to be removed to add some space. Dhe këtu dyrën ta shumë të ndreq. Shëre. Me thonë këtu këtë ka me konë kaltër, se kom req halo, këtu ka me konë gur. Here will be rocks. Ka me tani mullime qëreqe dhe knej që do të me mush me drasa, me lëq, e knej me gora dhe cement. So this is what I've done so far. It's like to add rocks with concrete. These are strong rock that I took from there, from an old house, and Bayram gave the rocks to me. I put those things just for decoration. So big rocks is easier. Small rocks, it's harder. It takes more time and you need to complete it correctly. I will do this part too. So mix them in order to make this. So here is this small house and a girl saying hi. So I have to paint this part and then to fix that one to make a small place to for a shower. Here rocks and concrete. Here up concrete and the door. So this is blue. The red one, it's hardly possible to see anything. And this one. So the phone fell off and I'm alone filming, so this is the result. I removed the wood and now we'll put like here rocks and bricks and concrete together. Yeah. So this is the small object that will turn in a house, and you see the view of the mountains. It looks amazing. Heck. So I will use rocks, these rocks, and to mix them with sand and concrete. Tak. As you can see, I made concrete and I will put it here and then put the rocks. So right now here is the work. I need to put more rocks to finish it. Ah, larg. Not yet. Have to paint this. So it's almost done. Let's all this part and then here. Looks good. And the mountains looks good too. Just cleaning needs to be done. Që 20 vjet je këtu veç vet, po do të aty me shkije e nalën rrymën edhe sa era port që penojën.
Problem. Cum poți, dai-mă. Dai-mă, nu știu ce scrie pe bă, dai-mă, dai-și, acolo, mă, la pieci, o asiți, că
Dera.
Bravo.
I'm here in the roof of the old house, like 200 years old, 150 years old, I don't know. And it's like abandoned and it's falling apart. We cannot fix it. See what we have here. So we have here a snake skin, like a snake. Removed its former skin here. And these are bees or wasps. I don't know. It's roof timber for our house. See you. So now I will paint the part of the window and a timber. It will be blue, marine or something like that.
It will be like this color.
So I painted it, but now it will look better. So guys, I painted it from the outside, the windows, stuff. Let's put the timber. I painted it. The door. So about the outside, it's ready. Only inside, I need to fix like the floor and to make stuff like necessary stuff. But from the outside, it's correct. Like and subscribe, share this video, please. For if this video gets 1 million views, you see that stuff? I will turn it into the smallest mosque in the world. Thank you for watching. See you next time. And now I will leave South Serbia to go to Kosovo and then to France to search for a job. Anyway, I don't know how my hair are, but thank you for being there. I appreciate you. Bye. That's concrete.